Danielle chose low. I like it.
Low and slow.
I'm just gonna say Danielle gets some more points on this one because it shows better video. Let's take one selfie.
Yes.
Whoever takes the best selfie wins. So do you know how to switch it from oh, never mind. You already know how to do it. Allie's already on it. Okay, best selfie over here. Did you do it?
I don't know.
That's a pretty good one. Okay, it's Danielle's turn. Selfie mode for Danielle. Oh, you're going lower? Lower?
That's so. Yep.
Okay, you got it. Now let's do group selfie.
Okay.